Hello everyone, let's start with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the 14th problem, Sugarcane Juice Business. Let's read out the problem. While Alice was drinking sugarcane juice, she started wondering about the following fact. The juicer sells each glass of sugarcane juice for 50 coins. He spends 20% of his total income on buying sugarcane. Okay, he spends 20% of his total income on buying salt and mint leaves. He spends 30% of his total income on shopping rent, on shop rent. Alice wonders what is the juicer's profit in coins when he sells n glass of sugarcane juice. Yeah, so it is easy problem. Let's understand with some of the examples. So they've given 4 test cases. In first case, let's say 2 is the 2 number of juice he has sold. Let's whatever what they have given is 20% will go in this thing, buying sugarcane, and 20% will go in buying salt and mint leaves. Okay, and 30% will go in buying for the shop rent. So if you see here, out of 100%, 70% is gone to these things. So remaining is the 30%. 30% is the profit. Okay, that we got. So 30% is the profit now. Now if Alice sells one juice, so she will get. The juicer will sell if one juice, he will get 50 rupees. So when n is equal to 2, in example they have given, so 2 juice means he will be getting 100 rupees. So 100 rupees means out of this we have to make 2 partitions. One is for 30%, which is our profit. One is for 70%, which is for these things: sugarcane, to buy sugarcane, to buy salt and mint leaves, to give shop rent. So if you see here, 30 coins is the profit and 70 coins is went to here. So we need to return only profit. So this is 30 we'll have to return, which is shown here as well. See, for n is equal to 2, that is the profit. Now let me consider second example. So second example saying n equals to 4. So if n equals to 4, so 4 into 50 is the total, what do you say, selling. So 200 rupees is the selling of sugarcane juice. So out of 200, we'll have to make 2 partitions now. Okay, one is for 30%, one is for 70%. Okay, so you can think of this way: if 100 rupees is the earning, then 30 rupees he will get sugarcane juice. If 200 is the earning, what is the profit he will get? Let's take a as x. We'll do cross multiplication, which will be 100 into x is equal to 200 into 30. So if you bring this 100 to this side, so it will go in denominator. So 2 zeros cancel, 30 into 2 60. So x is equal to 60. So 60 is the profit. So as you can see, for second example, 60 is the profit. So I think you got pretty much what is the problem statement. So let's try to code it up. They have given the first line of input will contain an integer t, number of test cases. Okay, let's take t, say in t, while t minus minus. So this is the this will take care of all the test cases. First and only line of each test case contains an integer n as described in the problem statement. So let's take n. N is basically number of juice glass sold. Okay. So we got n here. So now let's take one integer, total earning. Total earning is basically n star 50. So for one glass of juice he'll be getting 50 rupees. So now out of this we'll have to make this equation. The equation what we'll have to make is, see, n star 50 is the selling price, which is this thing. Okay, 200 on case. So into what we have to make 30. 30 is the profit percentage, and divided by 100 we'll have to do. So if we use this formula, so we will get the number of profit coins. So let's take one variable profit equals to, that will be n star total earning, which is n star 15 only, into 30% we are getting, divided by 100 will do it, and at the end we'll have to output this profit. Okay, let's try to run the code. So we're getting 30, 60, 75, 150, 30, 60, 75, 150. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So I think you got what is the problem statement and how you will have to solve this. So it was easy only. Basically, it was a math. We have to do percentage, how to calculate these things. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video.